Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. If you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have tried out the project It's Alive, where you try and animate a sprite, and you may have looked at some of the other projects like the Street Art, Architect Simulator, and some more further above that use the pen blocks. But what if you combine the ideas together? So let's explore that neat idea in the project titled Lava Lamp by 3 the Hedgehog Coder 3. So you press green flag. Okay, it starts a little animation. Interesting. So we've got a lava lamp here. Now, what's neat is if we go to different corners, some of them, we can actually show some different stuff. So, okay, so what happens when I change this variable? Okay, that's neat. So it changes the color of the lava. If we go over here, okay, cool. So we can change the color of the background. And then if we move up, it goes away. But if we move to another corner, okay, so we can actually change the resolution. It changes the quality of it, what it looks like. Okay, so it makes it sharper or a little more jagged with it. It also changes the speed. So that I thought was a really neat idea of how you can actually use some animation by using the pen blocks. So if you want to see the code that they use for this, make sure you check out the link in the description. It's a lot and it's really cool. And if you want to share a neat idea, make sure you comment below so we can take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.